gonna make this short. I was filming a video before and of Animal Crossing, and it didn't work, so we're doing it again. I'm just gonna make this quick. Let me just do a preview of the last video. We got Eugene as a villager. I showed you my campsite. We went around the island. This is Eugene right here. I got these guys. Goldie, Rosie, Filbert, Apollo. If you guys know how to use amiibo cards in this game, please tell me. Also, if you know how to film on the Switch, please tell me. And also, if you know how to... if you have any penguin villagers in Animal Crossing New Horizons, like, Hopper, Cube, Puck, they're penguins, please tell me and give me them, please! Shut up! Yeah, that's all my stuff. That's all that happened. And also, we crashed some stuff, went around the islands, you know. Yeah. I don't, if it doesn't work again, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, alright? Yeah, hopefully everything's saved, though. How about this? Since there's not much happening in this video, we're gonna go fishing, alright? We're gonna do that for now, okay? Sparkles. Now, you're wondering, yes, this game's fun. And yes, this game is on Apple. Don't know about Android, but you could check the App Store by searching up Animal Crossing. You don't even have to put Pocket Camp, but yeah. But yeah, this is Pocket Camp. Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Ooh, red snapper. Looking pretty dapper. I made a joke from New Horizons. Ha 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 ha. So funny. Right? Oh yeah, I forgot. This is also what I said last video. Tell me in the comments if you have any other video games that I should... Ooh, that's a new fish. Ooh! What other games I should play. Oh my gosh, I'm stuttering. Or game playthroughs. Because I have a couple right now that I have in mind. And, after I finish Pocket Camp and some Animal Crossing New Horizons videos, I'm gonna post another video asking you guys what game I should play. Legend of Zelda or Doom Eternal. You can also comment in this video and I'll add it to the votes. And please, more than one person answer it. Literally only one person answered last time, and thank you that one person. You know who I'm talking to. Thank you for clapping. You know, it was amazing. No, let's just do this. I don't care. This. I don't care if I use 15. Yeet. This technique is not in New Horizons, so don't know if this was created in like the older games. Okay. Nothing new. That's great. I want new fish. Okay, we still have puddle. Oh, I completed something. But yeah, this game is just making your island / campsite nice, and getting villagers. You know, this is just. There's no paying. I don't think there's any paying debts in this game. So that's nice. What? No, I'm not able to take it out, man. I have too much stuff. I have to use more stuff. What if I don't want? Okay, well, that's that. Let's just go here. I'm pretty sure you can only get 10 or 9 in this thing, too. Of villagers, so. Ooh, record. Spiders. Get it. Okay. Stupid. I'm trying to rush this video because I've already made video of like 2 videos on this, and it just stopped. It just said no, too long. So yeah, these videos are gonna be like 15 minutes long. It doesn't even tell me how long I've been making this video. So unless I go to the app. So let me check. I'm sorry, but I have to check. It's been 5 minutes. Okay. Hopefully it didn't just stop all of a sudden. That would suck if it did. Yeah. Sorry. Hello, Golver. Apparently it takes you to the island, but I haven't tested it out. I'm leaving. Very short and simple video. Just to show you what it's like and what's gonna happen pretty much. Oh yeah, and anyway, for the request of the games, no, I'm not gonna answer. Some games I'm not gonna play, like Fortnite, or some other games. And no, don't get mad at me just because I don't like Fortnite. It's my opinion, okay? You can have your opinion. I don't hate you if you play Fortnite. It's fine. It's just my opinion is my opinion, okay? Then why can't I toss it? Because I've had rude comments about it before, so. And yes, I did delete them, don't worry. Pond smoke. Ooh, liquid. I didn't know your pockets can get full. Do you want to use 20 tickets to spam? I mean... Oh, I can only have 30 in there, so I need the Oh... Let's sell 10. Yay, okay, now I can take this out of my pockets. I see. You can only have a certain amount in there at a time. That's why it's timed. Oh, makes sense now. Lloyd. I'm trying to craft something with these little Lloyd figure things, or snowman Lloyds. Pretty cute. It's like a all these characters are there actually are some things that are from New Horizons that are in this game. It might have been updates or something. I don't know. Oh, Black Bass. I've only caught him 2, but anyone who plays New Horizons New Horizons knows exactly what can do sometimes. That's not my first time catching a koi. Caught a king koi. And that koi, so... Unless I'm gonna say it. Pretty sure it's safe. Yo, you wanna see my big fish? I'll show you my big fish. Look at it. See that big koi looking thing right to... I can't point to it. I wish I could zoom in. right here. Do 50,000. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! That's a lot. How much is it for? Whoa, okay. But that's a lot. Jeez. I've only been playing this game for 2 days and I already caught that. Tell me in the comments if that's rare. I know I'm asking a lot today, but oh my god. Miss. So, I don't know. I can't remember if I said this, but sorry if I did. But tell me in the comments if you like this series and if I should keep doing more. Ow, more. So yeah, I need to make room. I need to make room, you say, right? Oh well, get rid of all these. Ugh. Oh, so there's this way to sell. Okay. I was wondering that. I don't know why I'm so dumb. How much does it sell for this? Okay. Well, I need a level up, man. Let's go back. Let's go. I need to become friends with my villagers. Ugh. I have a scratch. Alrighty. Anyone to talk to? Nope, doesn't say to talk to anyone. Well, why are you so angry at me? I mean, I could have given you fruit, but you stopped talking to me, so I can't give you fruit. Gene. Okay, well, no one wants to talk. I see. Let's see, what items can I place? Alright, place that. Some stuff I've already placed. When I say some, I mean like almost everything. What is that? Oh, it's like a movie type thing. Oh, okay. Oh, well. I guess I could go there for now. That was like the only thing that I saw that was like pretty cool. Oh yeah, it is. Alright, I need to move that. I kind of want to put that away. The barbecue, actually, I have a better place for it to go. Going right here. Right there. Alrighty. Oh, that's actually pretty cute. I mean, I don't have a filmmaker thing, but still pretty cute. Oh my gosh, look at Goldie though. Oh, I need to check my recording. Oh shoot. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and also remember to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. I mean, you guys have been exploding that like button these past this past month. I mean, like, my brother, the video I posted with my brother, how did I get 3 likes? I'm surprised you guys even liked it. Or, like, the little update video that got 3 likes, I think? Yeah. So, but yeah, thank you so much for the support lately. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.